Right, and so today I'm going to take a quick overview of the Beko WTB 1041R2W washing machine. So there's the drawer, 1 to 10 kilogram, 1400 spin, A triple plus energy rating, and the wool approval kind of thing. And obviously inside the drawer, it's nice and clean. The dial, which has all your programs on it. And some of the options you can have, so you can have different temperatures. You can set the spin speed so it's different. You've got a pre-wash, fast plus, and extra rinse. So you can't have fast plus on that program it's saying, but on the cottons you should be able to have it. There you go. So it takes it down from 3 hours and 22 down to 1 hour and whatever it was. The LED lights, and then you start pause button. Inside, nice wide open door. That's inside. It's like a diamond drum. Actually has a similar drum to the dryer. Very similar. So it's a really good washer. I only had it a couple of hours, but I'm really pleased with it. So